let's get this on. About to miss my flight. Come on.
I went to the airport to catch my flight. The TSA put me in the naked body scanner line.
I don't want radiation, so I opted out. But when they grabbed my man junk, I couldn't help myself. I had to shout, I had to shout, I had to get my message out.
I said, don't touch my junk, don't touch my junk.
I'll have you arrested if you touch my junk.
So don't touch my junk. This ain't your lovely lady love.
I don't wanna be molested, so don't touch my junk.
So I went back wearing a Scottish kilt. I popped 3 Viagra
to make sure my stuff would not wilt. When it came my turn for the nasty pat down, they thought I had a weapon, so they made me pull it out.
Don't touch my junk,
Can't touch this,
don't touch my junk.
can't touch this. I'll have you arrested if you touch my junk.
Don't touch my junk.
Let go of my hump, my hump, my hump. I don't wanna be molested, so don't touch my junk. Now who put these morons with a badge in charge and gave them the right to molest us in the name of security?
Don't touch my junk.
Can't touch this,
Don't touch my junk.
can't touch this. They x-rayed my bags and then they patted down my elephant trunk.
Went up my shorts, they went down my pants. This ain't romance, no, it's the TSA hustle. They felt me up while they put me down. They squeezed my butt in that TSA hustle.
Whoa! This is happening in the land of the free? Alex Jones was right. I'm gonna smuggle a copy of the Bill of Rights next to my body, so when they reach down there, they get a handful of Fourth Amendment.
Lordy, Lordy, I declare big brothers in my underwear. Fly to London, fly to France, big sis checking out my underpants. Up my shorts,
Can't touch
went
this,
down my pants.
can't touch
This
this.
ain't romance, no, it's the TSA hustle. They felt me up
Like they were my personal physician.
Put your hands in the air in the surrender position. This ain't security, and this ain't sex.
It's some other kind of tyranny. And now you're next.
You next.
It's time to stop these big brother Nazi thugs. Next time you fly, just tell them, don't touch my junk. Bill of Rights, baby.